Right, today we're going to talk about the Insta Mini. It comes in this kind of a cool case, and to get it out you got to kind of pop it like this, and it just kind of pops out. Well, it's supposed to. There we go. There we go. All right, so let's put the case over here. So here we are. First thing we got to do is change the batteries, and the way you do that is you come to the side, pop it, and I do believe it's just got 2 batteries in it. And so we'll put those there. Get our new ones in here. Just got to look and make sure you put them in correctly. And it looks like it's kind of weird because it shows positive that way. So we'll put it that one. And this one looks like it goes like that. I guess we got to put that one in first. There we go. And this one goes this way. All right, so that's that. There we go. Now to look inside, this is where you put your film. And it's pretty simple. I think it's got a little bit, you can fool around with it a little bit, but we'll take a look and see what we got. Here's your viewfinder that you look through, and this is where the film shoots out. So let's go ahead and open up the film area, and let's take a look at this. This is your Fujifilm Insta Mini. It kind of shows you how you put it in. There's a little, see that little thing there? So you've got to match that up when you put it in. To open it, we're just going to pull it like this. Pop this baby out. And there you go. So now you just match this blue and this yellow with that, and just set it in there like that. And then you just close it. Bam, Bob's your uncle, ready to take a picture. All right, so let's go ahead and check one out. Let's take a picture of ourselves here. You ready? All right, so anyway, we put our batteries in, we got our film in, right? And now before you can take a picture, what you have to do is you got to press this thing. Basically, you see this shoots out, it opens the shutter. And then you can change, where you're at. If you're inside, you've got this. If you're a cloudy day here, sunny day, super sunny, and high key, whatever high key is, I'm not quite sure. So I would just leave it here for now because it's inside. And then to take your picture, all you do is press that, bam, and it's gonna shoot out of here. And that's basically how you use it. All right, let's do it. All right, when you first put the cassette case in, or basically the box that has all of the film in it, what you have to do is you've got to press the button, and it's going to shoot out the back covering of that, which is not a photo. All right, so you're going to think you've got this photo coming out, and it's not a photo. What it is, it's the protective covering that covers up all of the other like Polaroid things in there. So you're going to look at it and go, is this a photo? What is this? So that's what I was trying to figure out. But anyway, I just put it there, and then we did it again and took another shot. All right, so I don't know what that is. So let's try another shot. We'll point it at ourselves and see how it works. Oh, there we go. There we are. All right, so now it's like a Polaroid, so we have to wait. It says don't put it in your mouth. Probably a good idea. So I don't know how long we have to wait, but we'll wait a little bit, see what happens. Oh, here it is, look. There's the photo. It's coming up right now. So let's just set it down there. We'll let it do its thing. Anyway, this film is extremely expensive, so you probably don't want to, if you're going to take photos, you want to make sure you get a really good one. This is not the best photo ever, but it's slowly but surely coming into view. So in those packages, you get 10 of these, and I think they're $20. So it's costing you about $2 a photo. And it's coming clearer and clearer. And basically, that's how it works. So I don't even think there's an on button on it. I think just when you push this back in, it turns it off. And when you push that out, it sets it up. So look, watch. Turns it off and ready to take pictures. So you got to press this, and then all you do is press this. Bam, autofocus. And that's basically it right there. So make sure you got your batteries in. Put your film in here, of course, and there's that little yellow deal. When you're ready to shoot, you press that, it opens up the shutter. It's got a sensor on it, and bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use stuff. Peace out.